Friends of two girls killed by a hit-and-run driver wear blue and purple in their honor as the two teenagers police charged in connection with that crash prepare to go to court. Welcome to KOIN 6 News at noon. I'm Jenny Hansen. We have live team coverage today as this case continues to develop. Chris Holmstrom has the latest from the Washington County Jail. Chris.
Jenny, the two suspects are locked up here at the Washington County Jail, and they are expected to go before a judge later this afternoon. Now, police made the arrest last night around 6:30. Investigators say 18-year-old Cynthia Cisneros of Forest Grove drove the car that hit and killed 6-year-old Anna Dieter Eckert and her sister, 11-year-old Abby Robinson. She's charged with felony hit and run, and we've also learned that she is on an ICE hold while deputies investigate whether she's in this country legally. Her passenger and boyfriend, 18-year-old Mario Echeverria of Cornelius, is charged with evidence tampering and hindering prosecution. Investigators say a citizen tip led to the 2001 Nissan Pathfinder involved in the crash. It belonged to a parent, and it turns out Cisneros lives just a few blocks away from the crash scene. Detectives made initial contact with the suspects on Monday, but say the two denied involvement in this hit-and-run case.
The conclusion of hit and run was determined by the investigative details learned about the actions of both the driver and the passenger after the crash.
And a third passenger was in the car. Detectives say he is a relative of one of the suspects and was not charged. Again, two 18-year-olds are expected here in court in Washington County this afternoon to face charges in the deaths of two Forest Grove sisters that were killed Sunday night playing right outside of their home. And investigators say they have been working throughout the night preparing for this court hearing. We'll be live in the courtroom, have an update for you tonight at 4. Reporting live from the Washington County Courthouse, I'm Chris Holmstrom, KOIN 6 News.
Chris, thank you. And our team coverage continues now with Brent Weisberg, who has more on changes happening at those girls' schools.
It's tough. It's very close to home here. We're a very small school. We're a family here at Dilley. And
to show support for Anna and Abby's family, students, teachers, and staff today wore the girls' two favorite colors, blue and purple. It's also part of that grieving process, a process that takes even more time with children so young. On the day that the two suspects are due in court, students at Anna's elementary school are making art, but they're not talking about the two suspects now in custody.
if students say, I heard this, we'll say, yes, that is on the news. But we're not going to bring it up. An arrest doesn't bring Anna back, doesn't bring Abby back, so it's not something we're going to bring up to students.
The principal wants students and others to focus on the lives of these two young girls whose parents say lived a love-drenched life.
Oh, here at the memorial, you can see that the balloons continue to get dropped off. So too do some teddy bears. We've seen parents come by with their students and kids to drop off handwritten notes. At Anna's school yesterday, we also learned that some of the students and staff were actually planting bulbs that will grow next spring in honor of her life. Reporting in Forest Grove, I'm Brent Weisberg, KOIN 6 News.